I'm going to make a live withdrawal on the Withdrawal platform. However, I have already made step-by-step guide how you can make money on this platform. In this particular video, I'm going to show you a live withdrawal proof, right? So what you do is to pay attention and watch this video to the end so that I don't miss any important step, right? So the first thing I need to do is to come to my section. Once you come to the mine section, you can see I have a total balance of 260 Ghana cedis, right? So if you want to withdraw, come to the home button section here. So once you tap on the home button, then you come to the withdrawal section. Here is the withdraw. Tap on withdraw. So once I click on the withdraw, you can see the balance I have is the 260 Ghana cedis here. So all you need to do is to enter it on the amount section here, right? After that, then I click on withdraw. So after I enter amount and enter my password, then I click on withdraw. So you can see confirm. So you can see withdrawal successful, right? So let's wait to let the money arrive in our account. In just few minutes, our money has successfully arrived, right? So you can see the withdrawal requested has successfully approved, right? Which is 234, which is there's a 10% of the withdrawal fee, right? So you can see minimum withdrawal is 20 Ghana cedis, right? And in case this is your first time to make withdrawal on this platform, the withdrawal time starts from 7 o'clock a.m. to 5 o'clock p.m. right? So you need to make sure to do that, right, so that your withdrawal may not be pending after 5 o'clock. Before you make a withdrawal, make sure you bind your wallet card, right? You ask your full name, your phone number, right, and you select the payment method you're using, which is MTN, Vodafone or Telecel. Then you bind after that. Your name and your phone number will appear here like this, right? So this is your first time on this channel, maybe this video is your first video you are watching, and maybe you're new on this platform. I have made a step-by-step guide on how to make money on this platform. So that is why I make a live withdrawal on this platform, right? So if you're new, what you need to do is to recharge. After recharge, then you buy a product, and there are so many ways so you can make money without buying a product on this platform. But all the explanation from scratch to the end on the video, I will leave that video link on the description section or the comment section of this video, right? You watch this video, you understand it, then you watch this also tutorial guide. And they have made another opportunity for everyone participating in this platform. This is a Telegram group where they make withdrawal and post it, right? You can find so many things here. This is a treasury key. You enter it, then you make money. You can see someone made 99. It's a random, right? So let's check what they have posted, the new opportunity for everyone participating in this platform. So you can see this special position, right? This the first opportunity that I have added to this platform. This platform launched on the 1st June, right? The 1st June. So today also is 6, right? So there's a more way to join this platform. You can see special position. We are offering a special position. Once your team's total top up reach 5,000 Ghana cedi, you can become a special member. A special members can claim a salary of 800 cedis from customer service, right, on the 30th of every month, right? So make sure you refer people, right? If you have a community, you have to let them participate in this project, let them buy, right? So that all your total recharge amount with 5,000, you will receive 800 Ghana cedis every month, as they said here. So this is the new one. You can see special missions, right? So you can see a special task restarted. Many users have requested that our customer service team restart yesterday's special task. Therefore, we have decided to add another of special tasks today. Today market, they say this since our platform launch, as I said earlier, and we are introducing a special mission available only for today, right? Mission details: simply invite 5 users to make an investment reward a diamond chest containing a random prize 5 NSD to 1000 Ghana cedi, right? So the deadline is end at midnight tonight, right? Note, please contact the customer service to claim your chest after completing the mission, right? So this is the customer service, right? So this is an one opportunity I am bringing to you on this platform, right? So make sure you buy a product, right? Make sure you buy a product and refer friends. We have a community section here. You can see we have your first level team, you get 25%, level 2 you get 3%, and last you get 2%, right? So I've made a step-by-step tutorial guide how this platform actually works, and more opportunities, more reward in that first video. So make sure you watch the and understand this platform. I don't want this video to be long, so that's why I'm not explaining everything. You can also earn VIP, as I said earlier. If you watch the first video, you understand everything, right? On the VIP section here, just invite 5 people, 10 people, 20 people, 50 people, and free VIP, right? You can see it here, free VIP session. So make sure you watch that video so that you may not miss it, right? So guys, this video has full. Consider like the video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload new ways to make money online like this, you will be the first person you see it, right? Don't forget to join our Telegram channel and join our WhatsApp group where we share ways to make money online, step-by-step guide, right? And I've created a WhatsApp group called Share Your Business. You can also share this business there, right? Then and make a free VIP, right? You can promote this to let people join. After people join, right, after you promote the after promote maybe your business or promote this platform, you can also promote this platform there. So after you promote this platform, then you get a minimum of invite user, you can get a free VIP, right? So the thing is, the earlier you join, the higher chance of earning money. I will see you in the next one.